Hey there, welcome to the Quick and Dirty Show. It is Friday night, and this is our Friday tradition. I've got some wine, I've got some beer. Cheers.
Cheers.
And
happy Friday.
Happy Friday. And we're making pizza. And so I want you to see how we make our pizza every Friday because it's phenomenal. Pardon me.
Just a sec. You invited them in on a Friday?
I know. Show them your magic. Keep going.
When you come in, leave your shoes at the door. Wash your hands after you use the washroom. Washroom's over there. Beer's in the basement fridge. All right, here's what we're doing today, people. Glad you're here to join us. Happy Friday, everyone. This is Friday in our house. Here's the pizza dough available in Fitter at 50 cookbook.
Which I will link to in the notes. Get your cookbook.
Here's the pizza dough. I rolled it out. I cheat because I was feeling lazy. Sometimes I do it by hand, but use a rolling pin. Make it easy. Here's the cast iron pan. I just cooked all of the chicken sausage in it, and that's what just happens to be the pizza tonight. So a little bit of olive oil, break up the sausages into meatball type portions, and a hot pan and get it cooked. Leave all the grease and all the goodness that's in that pan, and in this cast iron pan, I just place the pizza dough just like that. It's
so good.
It's super simple. Don't overthink it. Same thing. Same pizza dough. I just rolled it out. A little bit of flour on top so it doesn't stick when I pick it up, and lay it in the greased pan, and it's got all that flavor and stuff. I'm gonna do low.
It's almost like you've done this before.
Maybe.
The dough fits perfectly. Could you pick up this?
Sure.
And put that close. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's almost like he's done this before.
So super
Perfect.
super easy. Don't overthink it. If your dough kind of does this and goes over, that's okay. If it's a little too small, that's okay. Don't overthink it. If you've done a little too much, a little too little, don't overthink it. It's going to be delicious. I've got it on kind of a medium to low heat just to kind of get it rolling. I don't have my sauce prepped yet, but when I have my sauce prepped, I'm going to put sauce on top of that. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit so it starts to cook the bottom of the dough. And then I'm going to layer in my sausage. I've done, for my pizza, mushrooms, because you can have mushrooms.
I'll have mushrooms.
But green olives, the kids and I will eat it, and that will not.
So gross.
And then...
but you also have your artichokes, too. Your artichoke parts. You're going to put that on your
pizza. Do
pizza?
you guys want artichoke tonight?
No.
Not so much.
Maybe we pass. That's how we roll tonight. And then cheese and fired in the oven. You can see that my oven is already preheated. Once I'm done here and all this stuff is starting to brown, I kind of just get under it after I've got my pizzas loaded, and just make sure that it's cooked and starting to brown. And then preheated onion. No.
Oven.
Pour me a beer.
Or
preheated oven, and about 12 to 15 minutes, a little more at 450, and you're ready to rock.
And that is our Friday tradition.
Glad you joined us.
Make your own pizza. Find the recipe in the Fitter at 50 cookbook. And remember, why settle for average when greatness is within your reach, right?
Yep. It's already started.
Me too.
Just halfway through.
And that the dog just starts
Just
losing.
loses
It's like,
it.
yeah, there's Friday night at our house.
Safe.
And guys.